Hello folks, Martin here with Shaw's Air Conditioning Heating. I just want to show you a little tidbit on how to change a filter. A lot of people don't know that they even have a filter or how to change it. So pretty easy. First off, we want to do is, good thing is write your initials and your date on the filter, so that way you can, next time you change it, you know exactly how to do it. And then most of the filters, this is the one we use, they'll have an arrow. The arrow actually points in the airflow direction where the air gets pulled up at. So what you're going to want to do, and an easy way to do is come to your thermostat, turn your fan to on instead of auto, and that actually turns the blower motor on so it sucks up the filter so it doesn't fall down on you or you're not having trouble. So on this particular filter grill, it's actually pretty clean. It's really nice. There's two latches. You go ahead and pull one side down, pull the other, and it comes down like so. Now you notice the filter is actually stuck up there. That's because I have the blower on. So you go ahead and pull your little filter down, and this is a fairly clean filter, but for the video how to do it, we're going to change it anyway. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and grab our new filter, and like I said, okay, you're going to check your arrow, okay, and you're going to put the arrow going facing up, okay, one side in like so, okay, and then the other goes up, okay. Close your grill, okay, close the latch, the other side, you're good to go. And don't forget to turn your fan from on to auto, or else you'll be calling us back, but that's okay. So if you have any other questions or anything, you just call Shaw's. We'll clean you up. And always stay comfortable, Central Valley.